Imagine a world without trees. No oxygen to breathe, no shade to hide, no wildlife to wonder at. But one man dared to dream of a greener tomorrow. Now, meet Jadav Payeng, a humble farmer from Assam, who single-handedly planted an entire forest, transforming a barren landscape into a thriving ecosystem. Now, over 40 years, Jadav planted over 250,000 trees, creating a sanctuary for countless species and a symbol of hope for a planet in peril. Join us on an inspiring journey as we explore the remarkable story of Jadav Payeng, the forest man of India. Welcome to the Molai Forest, a 1,360-acre oasis in the heart of Assam, India. This incredible forest is the result of one man's dedication and passion for the environment. Now, meet Jadav Payeng, born on October 31, 1959, into the indigenous Maizing tribe of Assam. Growing up in a small village, Jadav developed a deep connection with nature. Jadav's love for the environment was encouraged by his parents, who taught him the importance of living in harmony with nature. At 16, Jadav participated in a social forestry program, sparking his passion for tree planting. This was the beginning of an incredible journey that would span decades. Jadav's early efforts were met with skepticism, but he remained determined to make a difference. Now, over 30 years, Jadav planted 40 million trees, using innovative techniques like bamboo platforms and earthen pots. He faced numerous challenges, including floods and wildlife threats. Jadav's perseverance paid off, as the forest began to flourish and attract wildlife. Today, the Molai forest is home to hundreds of species, including birds, deer, rhinos, tigers, and elephants. This incredible biodiversity is a testament to Jadav's hard work. The forest has become a sanctuary for endangered species and a source of pride for the local community. Now, Jadav's work earned him the Padma Shri in 2015, one of India's highest civilian honors. His story has inspired a trilingual film and global recognition. Jadav's impact extends beyond the forest, inspiring a new generation of environmentalists and conservationists. To visit the Molai forest, take a 20-minute boat ride and 45-minute trek through bushes and tall grass. Jadav's daughter, Munamuni Payeng, will guide you through the forest. Experience the beauty and majesty of the Molai forest, a true marvel of nature. Jadav Payeng's story inspires us to take action for the environment and create a better future. We can all make a difference, just like Jadav. Share this video and let's work together to make a difference. Thank you for watching the story of the Forest Man of India. Join us next time for more inspiring stories of environmental heroes.